Well, thanks for stopping by. If you haven't been here before, my name is Elliot. This is Everything Elliot. Today, we are working with the American CLS Highboy. Now, you have not seen this splitter on my channel before. Larry, the owner of American CLS, was nice enough to drop this off for me to use for a couple days, wanted me to demonstrate it. If you're looking to get into an American CLS log splitter, but you don't have the money for one of their big dogs, their Animal, you can see that sitting back there. The Animal is their biggest machine. You say, I want an entry level. This Highboy is going to be their entry level machine with the log lift. This actually sits on the same frame as their super splitter. You guys might have seen in a previous video, the only difference between this and the super is this has got a 270, a Honda 270, and a smaller hydraulic pump. So you want to save a little money on the motor and the pump, this is going to do it for you. So you're going to sacrifice a little bit of speed and a little bit of power, but if you're looking at that entry-level machine, this is the one for you. Standard slip-on four-way. It also accepts that fat wedge that we had, and what was the other one we had? Oh yeah, just the single way. So it'll accept those as well. Again, same setup, just a different motor, different pump. Today we're working in the food plot. These are a little more of your average size rounds you're going to have when you're going to be splitting firewood. And we're going to be using their 20-foot conveyor to convey the wood away from me into some IBC totes. I did manage to pick some up, but they're 275 gallons. They're not the normal 330-gallon ones I'm used to. Can't complain about free though. So, 20-foot conveyor, American CLS Highboy. We're going to get to it. So you can definitely tell the difference between this pump and the super pump. It looks like this one pushes, has to build some pressure, and then we'll push it through, where the super just kind of pushed right through the four-way. I'll get you guys up a little closer so you can tell what I'm talking about. If you're wondering what we're splitting today, it is ash, so nothing super crazy. All right, so this will be a good test. What seems to happen with this splitter is it pushes in and it needs to build pressure before it'll push through. This will be a good demonstration of that. Alright, so we got a little bit of the bigger rounds on it. Not this one. Get rid of this one. So I don't want to misquote myself, but I think this has a 13-gallon per minute pump on it. If it's not a 13-gallon per minute pump, I'll put a little thing in the bottom of the screen to tell you I was wrong or right. So you're going to see what happens with the 13-gallon per minute pump here. It'll build pressure and then push through. So it'll do it. It's not strong like the Animal, but it still works. conveyor stopped. I wonder if we ran out of fuel. Yep, ran out of fuel. Shoot. American CLS Highboy splitter. Again, same frame as the Super Splitter, just smaller motor, smaller pump. We're splitting ash today. You guys saw what happened. It kind of pushes against the wedge, builds some pressure, and then continues to split. We're out of gasoline in the conveyor, which is unfortunate because I don't have any gas left at the house. I got to make a run to the store. So that's going to be it for today. That's all we're going to do. I have the animals sitting back there. You guys can see that. I think I'm a little bit spoiled with that machine. It's faster, it's stronger. I mean, it's probably double the price. I don't know the exact price, so I can't say if it's double or not, but I imagine it is, well, let's just say it's more expensive. I'm going to leave their website down below. Don't forget to check them out. And if you do call them, tell them I sent you. Say, hey, Elliot sent me over here. I don't know. Maybe they'll give you a little bit of a discount or a free hat or a free t-shirt. I do have a hat on and a t-shirt. They gave me both of those. I'm sure they'll give you one if you ask nicely. All right, well, if you guys enjoyed today's video, we've got some more log splitting content coming up. The animals coming in. Highboy's going out. We're going to throw the 6-way on, hydraulically adjustable wedge. We're going to split a lot of ash firewood today. Well, not today. Next video. Anyway, subscribe, like, all that jazz. I appreciate you guys. Until the next video, have a great day.